When it comes to buying a car, nobody wants to end up with a money pit. We want safety, reliability, and long-term value. But every year, Consumer Reports reveals a list of cars that consistently underperform. Vehicles that might look tempting on the lot, but turn out to be nightmares in disguise. In this video, we're looking at 17 cars people avoid because of recalls, poor mileage, and costly repairs. The top one? So unreliable that Consumer Reports says it's one of the worst cars to buy. Number 17, Chevrolet Blazer. The Chevrolet Blazer looks stylish with its bold design, but beneath the surface, it's a problem child. Consumer Reports highlights engine stalling, electrical issues, and poor long-term reliability, especially in the 2020 and 2021 models. Priced around $44,000, you'd expect more. Instead, you get underwhelming fuel economy at 20 miles per gallon, rapid depreciation, and subpar crash test scores. Add in high insurance premiums and expensive repair bills, and the Blazer ends up being a costly gamble. Number 16, Lincoln Aviator. Luxury SUVs should feel like a dream. The Lincoln Aviator, however, feels more like a bad investment. With a price tag starting at $53,000 and reaching $88,000 for the black label trim, you'd expect top performance. Instead, you get recalls, lots of them. Consumer Reports notes reliability problems across the 2020 through 2024 models, ranging from faulty airbags to electrical malfunctions. Fuel economy is terrible at 18 miles per gallon combined, and it doesn't measure up to rivals like the BMW X5 or Audi Q7. For luxury shoppers, this one is a definite skip. Number 15, Volvo XC60. Volvo is known for safety, and the XC60 certainly delivers on that front. But safety isn't enough when reliability falls short. The $53,000 compact SUV has been plagued by recalls, including 3 in the 2024 model year alone. Transmission problems, stalling engines, and glitchy infotainment systems are frequent complaints. Fuel efficiency hovers around 22 miles per gallon combined, which isn't terrible, but for the price, buyers expect better. Number 14, Rivian R1T. The Rivian R1T was supposed to revolutionize electric trucks, but it's been a bumpy road. Starting at $71,700, the R1T has been hit with software glitches, suspension issues, and painfully slow repair times. Its 314-mile range is decent, but Rivian's limited charging network makes long trips stressful. In 2024 alone, the R1T faced 4 recalls, including accelerator pedal and airbag issues. Consumer Reports points out that while innovative, Rivian's lack of service infrastructure makes ownership a risky bet. Number 13, Polestar 2. Polestar, Volvo's electric spin-off, entered the market with big promises. The Polestar 2 costs about $49,900, but Consumer Reports found frequent glitches in its Google-powered infotainment system and a stiff ride that falls short of luxury expectations. Its range of 270 miles lags behind Tesla's Model 3. Worse, early models faced recalls for high-voltage battery shutdowns. Basically, the car could just stop running. Limited service centers and costly repairs further erode its value, making it one of the least popular EVs on the market. Number 12, Ford Bronco. The Ford Bronco roared back with hype, but reality hit hard. Starting at $39,600, it offers off-road toughness but fails in day-to-day reliability. Consumer Reports points to serious issues with cracked fuel injectors that could cause fires in the 2021 to 2023 models. Transmission problems, valve train failures, and noisy engines plague owners. Add in cheap-feeling interiors, a clunky infotainment system, and terrible fuel economy at just 17 miles per gallon, and the Bronco ends up being more frustration than fun. Number 11, Buick Encore. Compact and comfortable, the Buick Encore seems like a good urban choice. But Consumer Reports highlights major drawbacks. Its 1.4-liter turbocharged engine feels underpowered, struggling on highways. Owners complain about failing transmissions, air conditioning problems, and electrical issues. Safety recalls have also piled up, including defects with airbags and seatbelts. While the Encore's starting price is attractive at around $26,000, repair bills quickly eat away at the savings. Number 10. Dodge Durango. The Dodge Durango packs power, with the SRT Hellcat model producing wild acceleration. But performance isn't everything. Consumer Reports ranks the Durango low due to terrible fuel economy, just 15 miles per gallon with the V8, and high maintenance costs. Engine failures, exhaust manifold defects, and below-average safety ratings also weigh it down. Priced at $40,000 and up to $115,000 for top trims, the Durango is an expensive vehicle to own and operate long-term. Number 9. Jeep Wrangler. The Jeep Wrangler has loyal fans, but Consumer Reports says reality doesn't match the reputation. Starting at $33,000, the Wrangler suffers from vague steering, noisy engines, and a harsh ride on paved roads. Reliability is a nightmare. Fuel line defects, airbag recalls, and even structural cracks have been reported. Fuel economy is abysmal at 19 miles per gallon, and depreciation is high. Unless you're an off-road enthusiast who rarely drives on highways, the Wrangler is a poor financial choice. Number 8. Jaguar F-Pace. The Jaguar F-Pace is beautiful to look at, but beauty doesn't keep it out of the repair shop. Priced from $58,300, Consumer Reports says it's plagued by electrical issues, failing fuel pumps, and excessive oil consumption. Jaguar has even recalled models for faulty brakes, a major safety concern. Repair costs are sky high, and Jaguar ranks near the bottom in reliability surveys. In short, the F-Pace drives like a dream when it's not broken down, but unfortunately, that isn't often. Number 7. Nissan Frontier. The Nissan Frontier finally got a redesign in 2022, but Consumer Reports says years of problems haunt its reputation. Older models from 2005 to 2010 and 2013 to 2018 were infamous for transmission failures and defective airbags. Even newer versions lag behind rivals with poor fuel economy at 18 miles per gallon and stiff rides. Starting at $29,000, it may look affordable, but recalls and expensive repairs mean this mid-sized truck is best avoided. Number 6. Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid. On paper, the Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid should be a winner. It's family-friendly, spacious, and fuel-efficient at an impressive 82 miles per gallon equivalent. But Consumer Reports has documented major reliability concerns. The 2021 model suffered from battery malfunctions and frozen infotainment screens, while the 2023 version was recalled for wiring defects that could stall the engine. Over 67,000 Pacifica hybrids have been recalled since 2017. For a minivan that starts at $44,145, the maintenance headaches just aren't worth it. Number 5. Volkswagen Jetta. The Volkswagen Jetta seems like an affordable, stylish sedan at $21,995, but it comes with baggage. Consumer Reports reports engine stalling, transmission failures, and electrical glitches, especially in the 2019 to 2021 models. Older versions also had fuel pump failures and ignition coil defects. Safety ratings are average at best, and the interior materials feel cheap. While the Jetta delivers 30 miles per gallon, its long-term reliability is weak, making it one of the least trusted sedans in its class. Number 4. Land Rover Range Rover Sport. Luxury comes at a price, and with the Range Rover Sport, that price is higher than most realize. Starting at $85,100 and reaching over $121,500 for top trims, it's one of the most expensive SUVs on the market. Consumer Reports points to sky-high maintenance costs, complicated electronics, and frequent breakdowns. The worst years, 2006 to 2008 and 2013 were notorious for transmission and engine issues. Unless you have deep pockets, the Range Rover Sport is more of a liability than a luxury. Number 3. Fiat 500L. Quirky but deeply flawed, the Fiat 500L starts at $24,000 but loses up to half its value in just 3 years. Consumer Reports cites widespread transmission failures, engine stalling, and recalls for airbags, fuel leaks, and suspension defects. Fuel efficiency is poor at 25 miles per gallon, and the ride feels cramped and bumpy. Fiat officially discontinued the 500L in 2021 after disappointing sales, cementing its place as one of the least reliable cars in recent memory. Number 2. GMC Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra 1500 may look tough, but its reliability is anything but. Priced between $38,945 and $86,900, it has been plagued by transmission problems, steering defects, and engine failures. Recalls include brake system malfunctions and fire risks tied to the block heater. With 17 miles per gallon fuel economy and high repair costs, Consumer Reports ranks it below rivals like the Chevy Silverado 1500, which offers better dependability at a lower cost. Number 1. Mitsubishi Mirage. Topping the list is the Mitsubishi Mirage, one of the cheapest cars in America, and one of the worst. With a weak 3-cylinder engine, clumsy handling, and cheap interiors, Consumer Reports ranks it near the bottom in almost every category. Safety is a huge concern, while the Mirage scored poorly in crash tests, and its airbag system has a history of malfunctions. Owners also complain about screeching brakes, faulty air conditioning, and unreliable transmissions. Maintenance costs add up to over $5,000 in the first 10 years. And here's the kicker. The Mirage is being discontinued in the US after 2025. While the low price tag may be tempting, this is a car that nobody buys twice. And there you have it, the 17 cars nobody buys, according to Consumer Reports. These vehicles might look appealing on the surface, but beneath the shine are expensive problems, poor safety scores, and disappointing reliability. If you found this list helpful, make sure to subscribe for more buyer's guides and automotive breakdowns. And before you go, check out our video on the cars Consumer Reports calls almost perfect, the ones truly worth your money. Because at the end of the day, buying the right car isn't just about style, it's about avoiding financial headaches that can last for years.